Well, it's June the 4th and we're finally getting back on the sawmill. It's been almost 2 weeks, I think, since I've been on the Wood-Mizer. No rain today. We're also going to try out those turbo blades today, the number 7 turbos. Those people over there think I'm crazy, think I'm talking to myself, they're staring at me. They only knew how much work this really was. Well, first off today, we got a big nasty white oak here on the mill, and the reason I'm calling it nasty is there's a lot of defects. You can see this swell right here, a lot of knots toward the top of it, kind of twists just a little. The pith is nowhere near centered. Not a very, very good saw log, but good enough to make some fencing boards here for the farm. And as soon as we get done on this white oak, we got 8 walnut logs ready to go. So pretty good day of sawing here today, no rain, it's in the upper 70s. The first blade we're going to start off with today is a number 7 double hard Wood-Mizer blade. And as soon as that blade wears out, which it ain't going to be very long, it's kind of dull anyways, but I think I can get a few cuts out of it. But as soon as it's done, we're going to put the number 7 turbos on there, and I'll let you guys know in the video when those turbos are going on, so you might be able to see the difference in how they cut. They're supposed to cut a lot faster than the regular number 7s do. This is my first time using them. So not a lot of commentary today either, because these dump trucks are running back and forth here behind the camera, moving slate on this construction site. So I'm just going to probably start sawing and get as much done today as I can. So anyways guys, let's get to sawing.
person knows when it just seems to feel right to them, something they want to do. Feelings still got a lot to do with it.